Well, happy Wednesday, is it? Wednesday? Yeah. Anyway, I went and got a haircut. How do I look? Sexy? Do I look gorgeous? Let me know down below. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I do. And I know it's all good. But on the way home, Bernice slept in, so she didn't get any breakfast. So we just come to McDonald's. And over the app, she ordered a cheeseburger. With any purchase, you get the free cookies. So we got the free cookies. We got the double cheeseburger, double beef cheeseburger.
McDouble.
Yep. A McDouble. I do love a cheeseburger. You want to try one of these?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's what we're up to. I've got to go home now. So let's eat this and we'll head on home. Right, well, we're on our way to Broadbeach. They've got a really good Woolworths there that we're going to suss out, because it's got like heaps more stuff than any other shop. It's fully international. It's the middle of like tourist area. And all the foreigners go there and they can buy all their food from home. So it's got heaps of stuff. It's a really good Woolies. So let's whip on down there. Cookie. We're eating the McDonald's land cookies. They still taste the same. They're pretty good. So then we're going to the beach. Go for a walk. Starbucks. Bernice loves Starbucks. It's her favourite thing. Domino's! That's my favourite thing. McDonald's! So many of our favourite things. Woolworths! No, I prefer Coles, but this is a great Woolworths. Great one! Okay, well here we go, lots of restaurants here. Mario's, I'll tell you what, this Mario's is always chock-a-block full. So they must have awesome food. Let's head to the beach. Well, there's the new Currawa Surf Club, and they've torn down the old one. Whoa, didn't see that coming. Wonder what they're going to do with it. That'll be interesting to see what they do with this spot. Hopefully it's like a stand where there's bands playing, or who knows. Can't wait to find out though. It's in a great position right on the beach. Oh, cool. Sunnies. Need a pair of these. G'day. How they look, alright? You like those? Pretty nice, huh? I love these sandy walkways. When you look at the beach, you look at the waves, the ocean. This looks lovely. Remember everyone, warning, no swimming when there's no flags. Or if you do, just be very careful. Don't go so you can't touch the bottom. Oh, jeez. Look at the size of that fucking dog. Christ. It's a fucking monster. It's like a horse. Oh, have a look at this. Just glorious. Look at that nice swell rolling in. No one out surfing though. What's up with you fellas? Look, there's a wave out there. Peeling left, closing out. And what do you want? Other than it not closing out. Some pretty native flowers. There you go, the lorikeets home for the day. Bernice dodging the casuarina shells. I don't know if you've seen them, but they're not fun to step on. Where are they, these things? Look at these things. How sharp they are. So you got to watch out you don't step on those. Oh jeez, that hurt. God. Anyway, let's whip on down the beach. See what's happening. Oh yeah.
So we've just come back to the bottle shop because everyone wanted me to get this in and
innocent gun because it was so cheap, and now it's not on sale anymore. Ah, spewing. Let's see what else is. This one, New World, 12 bucks. Hop lovers. Ooh, do I like hops? How are you, old mate? Bernice is checking out the Coles catalogue. We got some dip and whatever that is, crackers. And I got myself a sail and anchor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Say bye.